Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're good, I hope you're fine, and I hope you are fantastic. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, báwo ni o ṣe wà? Lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ṣe wà? Ṣé ń feel gèlè mi yìí? Ṣé ń feel aṣọ mi? Ṣé ń feel yẹtí mi, earring mi? Today is a special day. This video is a special video. Today, I would be policing the Nollywood actors that graced the black carpet of a movie premiere called Ayinla. Ayinla premiered on the 13th of June 2021, and that movie is a legendary movie. Hey, if you're asking or thinking of legendary, Ayinla Oniwura is legendary. Merely looking at the trailer, in fact, I've been salivating. I've been wanting to see this movie. Anyways, this movie in a short summary is all about a man that loves to sing Akpala. Akpala music is originated from the Yoruba culture, and this man called Ayinla, he is so famous in singing Akpala. Hey, they love him during his time. His fame grew so wild. And unfortunately, he and his manager, Barua, they were involved in a fight and in a bar. And Barua stabbed him with a glass cup in the bar during the fight. And that was how Ayinla died. He died at the age of 40 years in 1980. So sad. But my people, this whole legendary story was recreated by one of the best directors, Mr. Kilani. Yes, and it is all culturally themed. It's from Abeokuta, and today I will be judging the Nollywood actress and actors based on the cultural extravaganza. Shana extravaganza be extravaganza, because that is the theme. That is the theme. That is what we're going to be talking about. And you know now, you know that extravaganza plus culture in it, you know, say it has be very spectacular. It has to be very enriched. It has to be so excessive and so bogus and so unique. You know what I'm saying? So guys, me and you both would look at these actors and rate them. Me, I'll be rating them, and I also want you to rate them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you click on the red subscription button to subscribe. It is totally and completely free. Click on the like button too as well if you enjoy this video. Me, I know you enjoy it. You enjoy it. Click on the subscription button and the like button, and let us delve into this video together. Now, my people, let me tell you something. You see, First Bank Nigeria was in partnership with the production of this movie. In fact, they were the major sponsors of this movie. And then they decided to give a whopping sum of 1 million naira to the best dressed male and female together. And guys, I feel that they did not do right. They didn't pick the best dress. But anyways, kindly watch till the end of this video so that you would know and you would see the people, the actors that were awarded the best dressed for the night, for the movie premiere, okay? Now let's get started. The number one on my list here is, let me start with the men first. The number one on my list here is Adedimeji Lateef. He wore this lovely outfit. His outfit is okay. Guys, remember, cultural extravaganza. So, are you seeing the extravaganza in his outfits? As for me, he tried, and I will give him a I'll give him a 5 over 10. He has tried as a guy, you know. He tried, but I'm not really seeing the extravaganza in it. Okay. Okay, moving on to number 2. This one is Mr. Macaroni. Mr. Macaroni is an actor and is also a comedian, is also an activist. Yes, in fact, this man deserves all the twale. He deserves all the twale. During the NSAS protest, he was there fighting and protesting, you know, wanting a better Nigeria. In fact, this man, he deserves my standing ovation. Don't mind me. Today is extra paparazzi, you know. Now, Mr. Macaroni, I love his outfits. He's looking so traditional. He's looking so cultural. This is a Yoruba cultural outfit, Ashoke. And his okpa is itele. Is itele, is his bata. And his okpa. Mr. Macaroni tried. Cultural extravaganza. For me, I'll give him a 6 over 10. Okay, I'm still looking for the extravaganza in his outfit. So he tried, 6 over 10. Now moving on, look at Bimbo Ademoye. She is an actor. She's very, very good, very, very vibrant. I love her so much. But this is her outfit today, and the web that she placed on her face. She tried, but I'm not seeing the extravaganza. I no see him. The hair is extravaganza, but the clothes and the bata, the shoe, I don't see anything extravaganza in it too. So because of the hair, I will give this outfit, what she's wearing, I'll give it a 4 over 10. The fabric that she's even wearing itself is not a native fabric. It's not a fabric of Nigeria, a fabric that is locally made in Nigeria. It's not native. So that score I've given her is enough. Moving on, but the hair, the calories, she makes sense. But she did not complete everything. Anyways, moving on to this beautiful actor, Jumoke Odetola. Wow. I love the sleeves, those big sleeves, and I love the mixture of the Adire and Ashoke. So beautiful, so vibrant. I love the all back on her head too as well. You can see now. You can see she has added some spice to it, and then she tried. You know, she tried. I love it. She has added some extravaganza, not the complete package of extravaganza. She still makes sense. So I'll give this outfit 6.5 over 10. We can see some locally made fabrics in what she's wearing. She tried. Moving on to our lovely Bukumi Adeaga Ilori. So beautiful. Madam Gorgeous, Madam Actor, Madam Comedian, Madam Content Creator. She is so... her outfit is a banger. Is a banger soup. Is drawing. Is sweeting my belly. She tried. Agele sef lasan. The thing last you know that she's a fashion stylist, a fashion police, a fashion designer, so she must not fuck up, because if she fuck up, Tony. I love her outfit. Her outfit is very nice. The bag, locally made, her outfit is Ashoke, it's locally made. Then she paired it with a little bit of which fabric is this one? Is it organza or something? Hair. She looks... So I will give her a I'll give her a 7 over 10. Okay, 7 over 10. Moving on to another gorgeous lady, Adela Oye. I think she's also an actor, but I've not seen her in any movie sincerely. But her outfit is gorgeous, quite simple, nothing extravagancy, nothing at all. The sleeves, fine. It's locally made, locally sourced. The cute dress that she's wearing, locally sourced. Her bag, fine, but it's not locally made. It's not locally made. I don't see this bag very, very well. It's not locally made, but it's very simple. It's not any extravaganza. So me, I'll give her a 4/10. Moving on to this gorgeous actress, Osazu. Hey, you see this lady? Oh, I give her so much swally. She's good. She's good. Her acting skills. Mwah. Now, as for extravaganza, she came in with the swag. So this her outfit is a simple gown, and this outfit, this simple gown, has been attached to the extravaganza. Do you understand? The dress, the simple dress, has been attached to extravaganza. So I can see the extravagancy in her outfit. So her outfit makes sense. This outfit, the things that were attached, the extra serere that we attached, the extravaganza, is like 10 yards of clothing. I don't know how she even worked with these clothes. She tried, the stylist tried. But guys, I'm still coming back to this her outfit too. Just give me a little time and watch to the end of this video. Now, this particular outfit, I will give it a sweet 8/10. She has tried. But let me tell you something. Ankara is not locally made from Nigeria. Nigeria's locally made fabrics are ashoke. Àti kituni, àti adire, àwa là ń ṣe weaving, anything has to do with the owner. But Ankara, it's been implemented, it's been brought into Nigeria. Now, moving on to Akan Nani. Akan Nani is a content creator and actor, and what this is lovely outfit. And let me tell you something. This man, this my brother, when they told him that it's cultural extravaganza, he just went to his house and he went to take his traditional outfit, the traditional outfit that he wore during his wedding. Because see, brother me wore here. That is what my brother wore. So he just wore it that way. Make I just wear him like that. And fine, it looks good, it looks extravagant. And guys, I'm still coming back on him. Orowa. Now, I'll rate him a good 6/10 because he did not put any effort. He just went into his closet and he went to take his old traditional wedding outfit and he wore it. So moving on to Mr. Oluwatosi Ogundadegbe. His outfit is fantastic. This is a damask. Oh man, I don't know why some people are not seeing some things in this outfit. His outfit makes a lot of sense. His outfit made statements. He came with the extravagancy. See, my people, let us take it from his hat to his glasses, to his sunshades, to his agbada, then to the beads that he even wore. Can you not see what I'm saying? Now, let us look at his ankles. Look at the beads on his ankles. Now, let us look at something. Let's zoom in. Let us look at his nails. My brother painted his nails too. Because they say extravaganza. They say cultural extravaganza. So he came with everything complete. He painted his fingernails with nude, black, and a little shade of pink. Light pink. Very light pink. And if you zoom in very well, you will see that he's also wearing leg chain. Leg chain, yes, that is the bead chain on the leg. And you see, he came with all this swagger. Hey, you see, he has done the best he can do, and he came with the sauce. He came with extravaganza. And for this, I give him a sweet 9/10. I'm telling you, he's one of my best dressed actors for this movie Ayinla premiere. It's just a pity that First Bank Nigeria did not give him that money, 500,000 naira. But for me, and I'm sure that for some other people, he's one of the best dressed actors. Moving on to Anto Lekki. Anto came looking like a princess, a Benin princess. you know, looking so angelic in her outfit. She looks so radiant, and she came with the extravaganza, low, and I give Anto a sweet 8/10. She's an ex-People That Naija star, and she's still shining. I love her outfit. This staff go last song, it makes sense. So 8/10. Anto, you are one of my best dressed. Like, sincerely speaking, Anto is one of my best dressed for this movie premiere. Daniel Etim Effiong. Oh, I know him. I know him. I know him so much. He acted in this movie, The Men's Club. Is it a movie or a series? Yes, it's very good. His outfit's okay. But this is not a locally made outfit, fabric shao. But he try. Now give him, the only thing that's locally made in this outfit is wearing is the bead. I'll give him a 4.5/10. Moving on to Adesua Tommy Wellington. Adesua, see, when she posted this picture on her page, I was like, wow, ooh, cute lady. I felt she was going for an evening event with her hubby, but then she wore this outfit to Anyela movie premiere. And see, Adesua, this clothes no rhyme with the cultural extravaganza, because I did not see the extravaganza in this outfit. Although our fans and our hubby see the extravaganza, but according to the protocols of this video and the team, in fact, according to the protocol of the team of the movie premiere, it should be cultural extravaganza. Well, I'll give her a 5/10. She tried. She looked cute. Moving on to Mercy Aigbe. Hey, she dressed as the queen. Yeah, queen. Mercy Aigbe wowed me. The beads, the ashoke, the makeup, the hey, princess of the princess. I give Mercy Aigbe 8/10. She's also one of my best dressed for this theme, for this whole paparazzi. Moving on to Toyin, royal queen with the gold and the white. She looks so gorgeous in this outfit. The ashoke is white, lovely. In fact, this is royalty. I give Toyin Abraham, I give her a beautiful 9/10. 9/10. She's also one of my best dressed for this movie premiere. Then, guys, moving on to Enioluwa Official. Enioluwa is a content creator, a comedian. In fact, since I stumbled upon his first video, I binge watched all his videos. Not even binge watch. I watch everything. I watch him, and I watch all the colors in his videos. It's so funny. I love his content, very interesting, and it came dripping. I don't just know why he was not a part of the best dressed, or why he was not even acknowledged, because he came through dripping. They say cultural extravaganza. My guy dressed as a king, as a royal king. You think it's easy to wear all those beads on the neck? You think it's easy to carry beads? Hey, they did not even look at his side and give him and award him. But you try. I will give him a 9/10, because it's also a part of my best dressed for this movie premiere. Now, moving on to my number one. My number one is this gorgeous lady right here. My number one is Omowunmi Dada. Hey, she's an actor. I've not seen her act in any movies before, because me, I don't really watch movies. I don't even have time for that. But she came through dripping. Style Territory did this one over well, the warrior. Like, oh man, look at the glasses now. The glasses last song gone. Don't sweep me off my feet. When I saw the picture, I was like, yes. Who is she? Then I started to figure out who she is. She won my heart from this outfit. Look at the gele now. See paparazzi. See the outfit, a combination of Ankara and ashoke. Can you not see? Even her purse is locally made. Yes, ke. Like, this is what I call extravaganza. Extravaganza. Something that is spectacular. Almost men, I give her a sweet 10 over 10. 10 over 10, 10 over 10, 10 over 10, shikena. 10 over 10, 10 over 10, 10 over 10, shikena. Shikena, 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 oh. Shikena, 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 oh. Shikena, 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 oh. Now 10 over 10. My people, just look at this now. She is my number one. In Style Territory, Tiny Oluwo is the owner of Style Territory. She's the CEO of Style Territory. She too came through dripping, you know, and Tiny, I love her outfit. She said that it's her popsies agbada that she wore. It was an impromptu one for her because she had to satisfy her customer, and her customer is, you know, this gorgeous lady, Omowumi Dada. So she had to satisfy her clients, not customer, client. She had to satisfy her clients before she had time to dress herself, and her own outfit was just an impromptu something, you know. And then Style Territory did not disappoint me. She does not disappoint me on any level. I love her style. It was impromptu though, but she came through dripping, and I give her a sweet 9 over 10. Imagine if somebody dressed like this impromptu for extravaganza. If she now mean business and can't dress for the thing, she go don't get 100 over 10. Happy? Now, see the partiality in this whole situation. First Bank Nigeria decided to make Osas and Akanani the best dressed for the night, for the movie premiere. I was wondering, Kilo, they gifted them 500k each. Tell me, I was wondering why this partiality, or is it that Omowumi Dada did not come on time, or she did not obey protocols? Because I am not understanding at all. I don't understand why they don't give Omowumi Dada as number one, and then this other actor. Why? It pain me, it pain my heart, giddy girl. But guys, I would love to hear your comments, your responses, your opinions in the comment section below. See you on my next video. Bye for now. I hope you love my own outfit too. My people, also rate my girly, rate my makeup, rate my outfit in the comment section below. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly click on the red subscription button to subscribe, and also on the like button too as well. See you on my next video. Bye for now.